Hi there, welcome. We are with another episode of P&G Online Assessment. How to pass P&G Online Assessment in 2023. This video is brought to you by Cool Random Things, partners with Indidel.com. P&G Online Assessment consists of 3 tests: Digit test, Switch test, and a Grid test. Let's go into each test individually. Digit test. Digit test is a mathematical test. You will be given the final answer and you need to fill the blank using numbers from 1 to 9. And each number can be used only once. In this test, you will see additions, subtractions, and multiplication. And the test has a timer of 6 minutes. And the goal is to complete as many levels as possible. And the levels get difficult as you correctly answered. This is an example of the digit test. You will see the answer 6 there, and you will have to find 3 numbers to get that answer. This is one way of getting that answer. 8 minus 5 plus 3 equals 6. And there are multiple ways you can get the same answer. This is the second way. We can start with something low and get the correct answer. If you want to learn more about this test, click the link there and you will find more tips as well. And also, you can practice this test at www.indidel.com and be prepared for the real test. Now, let's take a look at the second test, which is the Switch test. This is a logical test, and there are 4 symbols that are arranged according to operator and give an output. There is only one correct answer for these type of questions, but multiple operators will be appear as you go on the test. And as before, 6 minutes timer is still there, so the goal is to complete as many levels as possible within 6 minutes. And of course, the level gets difficult as you are correctly answering those questions. And this is one of the example of switch test. You can see 4 symbols are on the top as an input and 3 operators in the middle, and again 4 symbols at the output. So in each operator, each number represents the rearrangement of the input so you can get the output. Let's work on this example. We have green as number 1, we have blue as number 2, we have yellow as number 3, and we have red as number 4. So we have 3 operators. Let's go into the first operator. It has 2, 1, 4, 3, which means the number 2 comes first. So our blue comes first. Then it's calling number 1, which is green. Then it's calling number 4, which is red. Then it's calling number 3, which is yellow. But that's not the output we have. It's different. Now let's go to the second operator. Again, we have 4 symbols and we are going to try each of these symbols. So number 2, blue. Number 1 is green. Number 3 is yellow. And number 4 is red. And this is the correct output we got. So our answer should be 2134. And we can still check the last operator as well. The first one is blue. The second one is red. The third one is yellow. And the fourth one is green. That is not the correct answer. So again, 2134 is the correct answer. And if you want to learn more about this test and learn more tips, click the link there. You will find a lot of details. And again, also you can practice these tests at www.indidel.com. The next test is the grid test. The grid test is a memory test. You will see some dot appears at different positions, and also you will see a distraction graphic, and at the end you will need to select each dot that you saw before. And again, this test takes less than 6 minutes. And level gets difficult as you correctly answer. This is one of the example of the grid test. You can see one of the dots is marked. Like this, you will see 3 dots marked at 3 different screens after distraction graphic. And at the end, you will need to mark all these dots that you have seen before. So this is the summary of the P&G online assessment, and good luck with your test.